The template is all set for you to use. All you have to do is change some of the elements that are already included. And in order to do that, you click on the pencil icon to edit the page. So when you're getting started, click Edit the Page. Say that you're examining Edward Snowden, like Mr. Pincelli did when he was doing the example. You would say the Edward Snowden Controversy Overview. Once that's changed, you click Save, and you'll notice that I have now changed the title. If I refresh the page, it will even change the name of the page, the Edward Snowden Controversy Overview. In order to change elements that are inside boxes, where it says in this box you will type an overview of the individual in the situation that you've researched, you click Edit Page again, and it's a text gadget. If you click on the gearbox in the text gadget, you see it brings up the actual text that was typed in there, and you can then highlight the text and go ahead and change it. And this is where you will make your text changes. I'll save that so you can see it, and go ahead and click Save again, and there you go. So once again, click the Edit Page button. You're in the text gadget, click the gearbox, and you can change the properties of the text gadget. Works the same way with other elements. For example, this YouTube video here. Underneath here is where you're going to have a YouTube video or maybe a news clip of your subject that you researched. And you're going to click Edit Page again. If I scroll down, I'm going to click on YouTube video. If I click Properties, again, I can paste the URL of the YouTube video of the news story of the project or of my person that I researched for the project, the whistleblower. Just put the URL in here and it will change and make it into a different video. Over here it says you're going to insert an image that is associated with your individual and the controversy. Again, the same thing. If you edit page and you go ahead and delete the text there, if you go to Insert up here, I can then insert an image, and I can find the images that I've saved. Here's one actually that was used on the example. I can go ahead and click it, and it will insert the image, as you can see. And again, I save it. It works the same for the other pages. So when I go into personal background, here's where the timeline is going to go. The original timeline based upon my research that I've completed in Google Docs, and I'm going to insert the Google Doc. And all you have to do, again, click Edit Page, go to the gearbox, and I don't want my base timeline with the instructions in there. If I click Change, if you look, it links right up with my Google Drive where I should have things saved, and I can just go through my files if I want to scroll through them, if you don't have too many of them, and I can go ahead and click on it. If I have actual more than I would want to scroll through, I can actually just go ahead and highlight and search for timeline. I find Snowden timeline or timeline and see which one it is and go ahead and click on it. In this section on the side over here, it says I'm going to place an audio or video of a speech by or about my individual. And I also have to go ahead and comment below the speech. So I want to go ahead and show you how to do that as well. And you're going to go ahead and insert. I could insert a link to a video if I wanted to. I can actually insert directly to a YouTube video if I wanted to. And once I've inserted that, I'm going to go ahead and again and put text underneath it and put my comments underneath it so that you can see that it'll look like that. I'll come back again and talk about the rest of the pages that are in the project.